Welcome to Engine Explorer today. You're about to see something that will completely flip your idea of what a truck can be. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a five-star hotel on wheels, built into the rugged, iconic frame of a 2026 Kenworth W900. So buckle in, because what's inside is going to blow your mind. The moment you see it from the outside, you already know it's not your average truck. The classic long nose of the W900 is still there, but it's been reimagined with a futuristic twist-matte black body, chrome-trimmed grills, and gold-plated rim accents. And the trailer, it stretches out like a luxury yacht on land, with a double-deck design that looks more like a spaceship than a semi. But wait until we step inside. The door slides open with a soft hiss. And boom, you're standing in a marble-tiled foyer with floor lights reflecting off polished stone. On your left, a leather-wrapped staircase with LED strip lighting leads to the upper deck suite. And right in front of you is a living room that feels like a luxury penthouse. We're talking plush, modular seating, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, a retractable old 85-inch TV, and yes, a built-in fireplace with adjustable heat and light. The ceiling above mimics a skylight, displaying real-time visuals of the sky outside. This isn't design. This is immersion. Moving further into the cabin, you hit the full chef's kitchen. We're not exaggerating. This truck comes with granite countertops, a full induction stove, dual fridge units, a wine chiller, and even a smart pantry that restocks itself via app alerts. All appliances are stainless steel and tucked away behind sliding glass. It's cleaner and more advanced than many city apartments. Now, here's where things get wild. Behind hidden sliding doors is the bathroom suite, featuring a walk-in rain shower, motion-sensing lighting, heated floors, and voice-activated mirrors with integrated weather, maps, and news updates. And right beside it, a soundproof home cinema with recliners, surround sound, and fiber optic. Stars in the ceiling. This isn't a road trip, it's a private luxury retreat on the move. Head upstairs. And it just keeps going. The second deck is a master bedroom with panoramic wraparound windows. Picture waking up to a mountain sunrise or a downtown skyline without even leaving your bed. The bed itself. California King with smart, adjustable support, climate control, and built-in massage. The walls are finished in acoustic wood paneling, with concealed wardrobe spaces and hidden tech compartments. But the cherry on top? That rooftop. Oh yes. Accessible via a hidden stairwell, the roof deck gives you 360-degree views. Outdoor seating, a hot tub, and even a retractable sunshade. Imagine parking in the desert, under the stars, in the middle of nowhere, and soaking in a rooftop jacuzzi. This truck turns dreams into drivable reality. And just when you think it can't be real, you look at the dashboard. This is still a Kenworth W900. The cockpit is next-gen, with a digital command center, autopilot options, 3D navigation, voice-activated, controls, and leather trim throughout. It's a symphony of old-school trucking muscle and bleeding-edge tech. So, luxury truck ... or five-star hotel. Honestly, it's both. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is proof that imagination has no limits. When it comes to life on the road, whether you're a long hauler with high taste or just someone who dreams big, this is the future of mobile living. And it's already here. Thanks for riding along with us at Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe for more insane vehicle reviews coming up next week.